friends, they are cooking pineapple, shrimp, and coconut red curry sauce. So the ingredients you will need are pineapple, shrimp, coconut milk, red curry sauce, rice, basil, garlic, salt, pepper, sugar. Okay, so now we prepare the shrimps by taking off the tails, putting the garbage here, and putting the good shrimps onto the other side. Just like so. Take the coconut milk, pour it in that thing. Then we take the sauce, take 2 spoons of it. And mix it up. So now we are mixing the curry paste with the coconut milk until it becomes into one. Now we add the pineapples in. And mix it up. Looks really yummy.
You think so?
Yes. Looks like soup Lisa wants to eat.
How's your mixing skills?
Really good. 10 out of 10. We take the garlic, put it into here, squeeze it in. Just like so. Okay, so while you mix it up, it must look like this. And then you take your pepper, put it in, salt, sugar, then you mix it up. It must look like this. Now you add the shrimps and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now you take the grills, take the good leaves, put them in there. Okay, now we add the good leaves. Bad leaves you take and put aside. Just about like half small pieces. Now we're gonna mix it up. It smells really good now. Been cooking about for 5 minutes now. It smells good, it looks good, and looks almost ready. So now we cook the rice. We gotta add the rice first. 2 cups of water.